Have you ever wondered that there is a magical regenerative mechanism hidden within our bodies, following a fixed cycle just like the phases of the moon in nature? Every month, when the moon moves to the position of the sun sign under which we were born, a wonderful physiological change quietly occurs within us. New blood begins to be generated. This is no ordinary physiological phenomenon. It conceals an ancient and mysterious secret behind it. Deep within our brains, there is a special part called the colostrum. It secretes a unique type of brain fluid which is in the form of oil. In ancient Greece, it was given a sacred name, Christos, also known as the Christ. It is like a messenger of life, starting from the brain and flowing slowly down the spinal cord, eventually reaching the sacral plexus. This process is like a meticulously choreographed dance of life, with every step being crucial. This mysterious oil is not only the key to body regeneration but also a bridge connecting our physical and spiritual worlds. When this oil reaches the sacral plexus, it doesn't stop there. It waits for a special moment once a month when a special seed is formed in the solar plexus. This seed carries the hope and power of life. If we can avoid certain bad behaviors such as overeating, drinking alcohol, or having sex at inappropriate times, this seed will be preserved and start its upward journey. It climbs up along the spinal cord. During this process, it passes through the pineal gland and the pituitary gland. The pineal gland is associated with electricity, while the pituitary gland is closely related to magnetism. These two mysterious forces further process and transform the oil. After being processed, the oil continues its journey through the Pingala and Ida nerves, also known as the Kundalini and the Kapha, and finally returns near the brain. During this process, the vibrational energy of the oil keeps increasing, and the life force it contains is gradually enhanced. When the oil reaches the top of the spine and crosses the vagus nerve, also known as the pneumogastric nerve, it seems to go through a baptism. At this crucial moment, the power of the oil increases 1,000-fold. This process is metaphorically compared to being crucified, but it doesn't represent death. Instead, it symbolizes rebirth and a significant enhancement of power. After that, the oil reaches the optic thalamus and stays there for 2.5 days. This state is similar to death, but in fact, it is gathering strength for the upcoming rebirth. Finally, it moves to the pineal gland, lighting up both the optic thalamus and the pineal gland, rejuvenating both our bodies and spirits. Surprisingly, every part of our body is intricately linked to religious myths. The solar plexus, in this mysterious system, is regarded as Bethlehem, the place where the Christ seed is born. The optic thalamus is compared to the Ark of the Covenant. It is a container that stores sacred power. When the life oil reaches here, a series of magical changes will occur, activating millions of dormant brain cells and achieving physical and spiritual regeneration. Different parts of the brain also correspond to important figures and symbols in religion. The colostrum, pineal gland, pituitary gland, etc., are like Joseph and Mary, responsible for transporting the life oil to various parts of the body and guarding the mystery of life. The cerebral hemispheres are seen as cherubim. They cover and protect the key parts of the brain, symbolizing the power of divine protection. These mysterious correspondences make us wonder whether the human body is a microcosmic universe, containing endless divine wisdom. However, throughout history, the truth about human body regeneration has been concealed by some churches. The church generally believes that Jesus Christ needs to return in the flesh to save everyone. But in fact, as emphasized in the article, the kingdom of God is within. The elevation and regeneration of the human body are internal processes. Everyone has the ability to achieve spiritual sublimation and physical regeneration through their own efforts. The ancients already knew this secret. They achieved longevity and spiritual awakening by protecting and transforming this life oil. However, the concealment by the church has prevented people from understanding this truth for a long time. As a result, many people live like zombies in their lives, unable to fully utilize the true potential of their bodies and spirits. Now, it is necessary for us to re-examine these views, break free from the shackles of traditional concepts, and explore the true mystery of human body regeneration.